Well, hello, I'm CrayCrayforCoasters and today I'm at PlopsaLand De Panne. This is my first ever time visiting this park, first time visiting a park outside of the UK as well, so this is going to be very fun. I'm most excited for Anubis today, mainly because it's the first thing I ever saw in the park and I've just been wanting to go on it ever since I was a little kid. I've loved it. The soundtrack is amazing. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you on park. Oh, we actually like running. Well, it's time for my first coaster here. Hi to the ride, I'm excited. See you after it. That was actually really fun. Wow, there's a lot of airtime on that. Well, that's Heidi the ride done. That was so much fun. It's like better than Wicker Man in my opinion. It's great. As in like the airtime there. It's like that like jerky little pucks of airtime. It's nice. It's great. It's smooth as glass. It's fun. Anyway, onto the Dragon, the power coaster here. Yeah, I'll see you after it. Oh, it's only one lap? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I have just done the Dragon power coaster. It was very good. It was fun. I loved it, yeah. It's only one lap, like all of the coasters here, including roller skater, which I'm about to go on now. So, yeah, I will see you after it. Soundtrack's an absolute bop.
Did you hear what she said? The soundtrack is an absolute bop.
For a kids coaster, I enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, fun. Crad's a crad. I'm excited because I'm going to go on Anubis the ride. I've been anticipating this the most here. Yay! I'll see you after it. This is like, I've been wanting to ride this for ages, and it feels so nice to finally get on it. It has some kick to it though, like. This thing is so good! That launch will never get old. Go slower, fun as always. Yeah, that definitely deserves a place in my top 10. That's great. Okay, well, Anubis the ride. I love that. That is one of my favourite coasters in the world. Yeah, it was absolutely incredible. Lived up to my expectations, definitely. Exceeded them even. It's time for the credit. So the cred in Wikiland hasn't opened for the day yet. So I think we're either going to go on Anubis again or Like Me coaster, which is a Tivoli large, I think. What you're seeing right here is for a restaurant. A restaurant, not a dark ride, a restaurant. That's like above and beyond. Anyways, Anubis, wow, in the front row that thing is even better. I love that so much. Anyway, I'm going to head on to the park's Tivoli Large, which is called Like Me. Bit of an odd name, but yeah. Please like me. Anyway, see you after Like Me. Double lap? What? That's not very Plopsa. I'm excited for this. In line for Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland. I've never done a max spinner that is this intense, at least. I've done Storm Chaser. But yeah, I'm excited for this. See you after it. I have enough room to put my hands underneath. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my lord! Oh my god! Number one. That was so good. The airtime was so strong. That was incredible. Oh, that roll though, the double roll is so nice. It's like calm. Ride to Happiness. That's a new number one. That's an easy number one. That was so much fun. I love that so much. It's great. The ejector off of the top hat thing is just insane. I had like literally about 2 inches of room. Felt like I was gonna die. That was so good. I love macro restraints. I love you, Lenny, for designing that crazy creation. Yeah, it's incredible. New number one, easily. Okay, well, I've had my food. I'm not going to do Anubis because there's a credit that's opened up. It's a water coaster. It's called Super Splash. Yeah, it's a mock. My first ever mock water coaster, actually. So I'll see you after it. Nice view of Ride to Happiness. I've got to protect my camera. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll survive. Well, Super Splash, that was fun. I got soaked. At least the water was cold, I mean, yeah. Anyway, it's time for the Ride to Happiness. I'm excited. I'll see you on it. Yeah. That's such fun. Oh, forwards. my lord! I forget how good the airtime is on that! That's really fun. Like, for a log flume. This has 2 drops, I believe. Yeah, one is a double down and one is a normal drop. Yeah. Apparently get some airtime on this drop. I'm excited now. Yeah, that was like full on floater. Nice. Okay, so that was the Dino Splash done. That was fun. I enjoyed it. It's always good. Park mascot, so yeah. Yeah, that was incredibly fun. So I'm heading around to Ride to Happiness again to get on it once more because it's just so good. I can't not, I mean... Yeah, no, that's just like... That should be in everyone's top 10. It's incredible. Well, that was 2 more rides on the Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland. One in the front, one in the back even. Sorry, English, my brain can't compute. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to head around to Olympus to go and lap it because I've not done it that much today, so I will see you after it. Two absolutely wonderful rides on Olympus to ride later. Wow, that thing is really fun. Anyway, Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland time. See you after it. Well, Ride to Happiness, such a fun ride, I love it. So now about to go on Heidi the Ridey. Yeah, why not? It's really fun always, but I'm gonna try and get a front row. Yeah, see you after. Well, Heidi, that's always fun. Yeah, definitely a front row coaster. Was in row 2, not front. Yeah, it's great. Anyway, on to Ride to Happiness, for real this time. Yeah, see you after it.
That's such an intense storm! Oh my gosh! That's so intense! Yes!
Oh god, we're gonna hit that good. Yeah, this is the jackpot. I just had 3 incredible rides on Ride to Happiness. Oh, one with the designer in the front row, and one in the back row, and another one in the front row. Just waiting for last train now. Yeah. I'll see you after it. This thing is just incredible. Wonderful evening here at PlopsaLand De Panne. Yeah, there was one last ride on the Ride to Happiness, and it was absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh, yeah, I forget how good that thing is. It was front row. I love it. It's just amazing. Like, the ejector on that top hat is just absolutely insane. Like, you just get thrown out of your seat and you never go back. You're out of your seat half the ride. All of the rolls have ejector on them. How? Yeah. Anyway, it's been a fantastic day from PlopsaLand De Panne. If you're ever like in the area, or you feel like you want a new park to experiment, just come down, because it's fairly easy to get to and it's just really enjoyable. Anyway, that's it from me, CrayCrayforCoasters. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.